Happy Friday, everybody. Today is an interesting one. I learned about this several years ago, and I can say that it's definitely true for me. Welcome to Fact Friday, and today's topic is seed oils and sunburn. Is there science behind the buzz? Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your Fact Friday, your bite-sized dose of science and common sense to fuel your low-carb lifestyle. Today we're diving into whether there's real science behind this or if this is just internet lore. Seed oils like soybean oil, sunflower oil, corn, and canola oil are all high in linoleic acid, a type of omega-6 fat. That linoleic acid gets stored in your cell membrane. That's the outer shell of every cell in your body, including your skin cells. Now here's the problem. Linoleic acid is highly unstable, and when the UV rays hit your skin, it oxidizes easily, creating free radicals and triggering inflammation. That is the perfect recipe for a sunburn and premature aging of your skin. So when you stop eating seed oils, you lower the systemic inflammation and reduce the unstable fats stored in your tissues. Over time, your skin becomes less reactive to UV exposure. This isn't just a theory, it's metabolic biochemistry. And it's being observed across the low-carb, carnivore, and ancestral eating communities. Now here's the part most people don't know. Once you cut the seed oils, you're not done. Linoleic acid doesn't flush out in a few days. It stays in your body up to 1 to 2 years. That's why eating out all the time and eating a lot of processed foods is really bad for you. So that's right. The studies show that even if you stop eating seed oils, it'll take 600 days or more to remodel the linoleic acid stored in your fat and skin cells. So if you've recently gone low carb and you're wondering why your skin is still sensitive, it may take time. But if you've been off seed oils for a while and you find yourself burning less, you're likely seeing the results of your body's slow transformation. Animal studies show that high omega-6 intake worsens UV damage. And on the flip side, omega-3s like EPA and DHA from fatty fish have been shown to offer photoprotective effects, increasing the minimal UV dose needed to trigger sunburn. Anecdotally, thousands of people reported less sunburn, less redness, and even improved tanning after cutting seed oils and balancing their omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. I have to say that's true for me. You still need sunscreen and smart sun habits, but your diet might just be the most underrated form of sun protection. So here's your daily nudge. Your skin is your largest organ in your body, and it's built from the fats you eat. And when you choose stable anti-inflammatory fats like beef tallow, butter, olive oil, you're literally changing the structure of your cells and the resilience of your skin. So your skin is really made up of what you eat. And if you've been feeding it oxidized seed oils for years, it may take time to clear, but the difference is real. If you've noticed this shift, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. And if you're wondering which fats are best for keto, watch a full-length video of mine called Embracing Healthy Fats on Keto. I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, and this has been your Friday Fact. Food is information, even to your skin. I'll see you in the next video.